Welcome to another Solution Series video from IC Fluid Power. Have you ever been in a metal stamping facility and heard something that sounds like a train running into the building every time the press cycles? Well, if you have, what you're actually hearing is an event called reverse tonnage, and it's tearing up the press. In this short video, we'll attempt to explain reverse tonnage, also known as snap-through in a metal stamping press. Reverse tonnage is the undesirable result of cutting and blanking operations. In the stamping process, the moment the punch comes in contact with the material, the press frame begins to deflect until the press has built up enough force to exceed the shear strength of the material, and the punch breaks through. When this happens, the press frame will release the stored up energy and snap back past its original position or resting position in a compression load. The press frame and components that are designed to function in a tension load are now in a compression load condition, and all of this will occur in less than 20 milliseconds. This compression load condition on the press frame is called reverse tonnage, and it can damage your press. There are several ways to reduce reverse tonnage in a blanking operation, one being that you can change the raw material to a softer and thinner type if the job allows for it. You could also maintain punches to limit the applied tonnage or step the punches. Reducing the press speed helps, but it increases the production time. You could also place the tooling in higher tonnage capacity presses. Many times these reduction methods are not practical or may only minimally reduce the reverse tonnage of these heavy-hitting jobs. However, the hydraulic shock damper is the solution. Hylatechnik developed the hydraulic shock damper in 1966, and stampers from around the world have been protecting their equipment by using them. The conventional industry standard is to have presses designed to accept a reverse tonnage load that does not exceed 10% of the maximum forward capacity of the press. In other words, the maximum allowable reverse load on a 600-ton press is 60 tons. So what happens when we have too much reverse tonnage? Well, we see fatigue failure of press components, especially in the slide connection area, but also the main press frame parts. You could have premature wear of punches and die components. You can also see foundation issues along with a high noise level. Components such as bolts, air, and hydraulic lines become loose, causing unnecessary leakage and additional maintenance. There also could be electrical malfunctions. High snap-through will affect the operator and could cause fatigue, foot, ankle, knee, hip, and even back problems. Hylatechnik shock dampers are designed to protect the press and tooling from snap-through loads. The Hylatechnik dampers will reduce or eliminate reverse loads, floor vibration, and noise, and will increase tool life as well as forward tonnage in many applications. Applications include hydraulic presses, mechanical presses, and press brakes. The shock dampers are not limited to the press size and can be used on the largest of machines. Additional benefits of the Hylatechnik shock damper are increased press speeds, provides the ability to use the full press capacity, and also reduction in foundation vibration. Reports have shown reduction in floor vibration of nearly 40%. You'll also see a reduction in noise levels. According to industry research, they found that the reverse load can be reduced by up to 99% in some of their presses, and in almost every case, Hylatechnik shock dampers can bring the reverse tonnage to the industry standard of 10% or less of the maximum forward capacity of the press. So to see the positive effects of a Hylatechnik shock damper on your press, call the pros at IC Fluid Power to arrange a demonstration. We can be reached at 419-661-8811 or visit our website at www.icfluid.com.